In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user stories in Trello. Let's get started by heading over to your Trello board. Firstly, you'll want to create a new list. You can do this by clicking the Add List button on your board's interface. For this example, we'll begin by naming our first list To Do. This list will serve as the starting point for all tasks you plan to work on. Once you've typed in the name, click on the Add List option to finalize it. Next, you'll create another list. Go ahead and do the same process of clicking Add List and naming this second list In Progress. This will act as the placeholder for tasks that are currently underway, giving you a clear visual of your workflow. Now it's time to add a third list, so click on Add List one more time. Name this one Done. This list will help you track completed tasks, providing a sense of accomplishment and progression. With your lists in place, let's move on to adding a card. To start, click on Add a Card in your to-do list. In our example, let's name this card User Content Creator. Cards in Trello act as individual tasks or pieces of work that need attention. Once your card is added, click on it to open a detailed view. This is where you'll add your user story, a crucial part of agile project management. To add the user story, simply type it into the description area. A good user story generally describes the type of user, what they want, and why. When you're satisfied with it, make sure to click Save to preserve your changes. After saving, close the cards menu to see your changes reflected on the board. Now let's assume you need to add another card with similar specifications. You can do this by clicking Add a Card again, entering User Content Creator as the name, and repeating the process of opening the card and typing in another user story. Remember to click Save before closing the menu. This saves your progress and ensures your team can see the updated information. You can continue this process as needed, adding additional cards for each user story you want to capture. By organizing your user stories into lists and cards, you create a clear visual progression from the tasks that need doing to those that are done, making it easier to manage projects and collaborate with your team effectively. Each update to your board will automatically sync online, ensuring everyone with access to the board sees the latest changes. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create user stories in Trello, keeping your projects organized and your team aligned. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep your board updated as your project evolves.